Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fusion wiper blades. First, lift the wiper arm and inspect the attachment type so you know which removal method to use. Always support the arm to avoid it snapping back on the glass. Clean the windshield and blade area before installing the new parts. Match the adapter and click the blade into place, then test the sweep to confirm a secure fit. Start by releasing the locking tab or pressing the connector button on your Ford Fusion wiper to free the old blade. Hold the arm steady with one hand while you work the connector with the other to avoid sudden snaps. Carefully slide the old blade off the adapter or hook and set it aside for disposal. Clean the arm and adapter contact points to ensure a smooth, secure fit for the replacement blade. Place the new blade onto the wiper arm, aligning the adapter with the connector type on your Ford Fusion. Push until you hear a firm click indicating the locking mechanism engaged. Lower the arm slowly to the windshield and remove your hand from the blade area. Turn on the wipers for a quick test to confirm even contact and smooth motion across the glass, adjusting if you notice streaking or gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.